Hey everyone, how's it going today? cryptoFOXXY here. Thank you guys so much for stopping by the channel. So in this video, we are going to talk quickly about altcoin season. So let's talk about what constitutes altcoin season and basically, are we there yet? So there has been some talk about altcoin season on social media, but let's look into it a little bit further. So let's jump into it, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more cryptocurrency news. This is stuff I like to cover on the channel all the time. I also like to do a little bit of educational stuff as well, because we do use these terms all the time, but somebody new into crypto might not know what altcoin season is. We're not going to spend too much time on exactly what it is, but we're going to show you what the signs are of altcoin season. So over the last few months, altcoin prices have dropped 30 to 70%, leading analysts to write off the possibility of an altcoin season. So are we going to see one or not, basically? Being crypto finds that things may be about to change. So there's a few different um, insights into different analysts that are in this article, and I'm going to give you my opinion as well. This analyst sheds light on the rationale behind the thought while offering insights into the potential catalysts. So this is the early days, but signs have appeared. In the market phase where non-Bitcoin cryptocurrencies register a consistent surge in value while outperforming the number one coin is considered altcoin season. So basically, we talk about Bitcoin dominance, we talk about altcoin dominance and things like that. So basically, if we need 70%, roughly 70% of altcoins to be outperforming Bitcoin in order for it to be considered altcoin season, and I'm going to show you a little bit more about that as well. So total two is a value of which the crypto total market cap is basically everything's put together, excluding Bitcoin. So when this market cap increases, it gives credence to the potential increase in the price of altcoins. So a decrease implies that Bitcoin's dominating the market. We always hear the term Bitcoin dominance, and that's basically what it means is Bitcoin has the majority of the market. Being the number one crypto, we can kind of assume that that is true, right? So if the indicator's value continues to increase, the altcoin season could be closer. We're talking about the whole market cap of altcoins. Last time such occurred was February and March. And at that time, the value of total two, which is what we talk about, it's the total of all the altcoins, went from 753 billion to 1.24 trillion within a month. So that was a very notable increase, and that is basically what an altcoin season does. It's a rapid increase of all the altcoin, not all of the altcoins, but a lot of the altcoins. And we see Bitcoin decrease in value, and money from Bitcoin flows into altcoins because people want to get in on the pump. They have FOMO, that type of thing. So that's basically what an altcoin season looks like. Bitcoin's dominance for the cycle to be validated, the Bitcoin dominance indicator has to decrease. So we just talked about that as well. Bitcoin goes down, altcoins go up because the money just kind of moves from one to another. Bitcoin dominance fell from 62.69% in March 2021 to 40.89% in May of the same year. So that's how quickly it can happen, just a couple of months in the difference. History shows that this was around the same period many altcoins hit their all-time highs in the last bull market. This week, the dominance has fallen from 55% to 54.68%, indicating that some altcoins have begun to outperform Bitcoin, but not enough yet. To mirror the performance shown in 2021, at least 75% of the top 50 altcoins have to perform better than Bitcoin. Data from Blockchain Center, which I use this all the time, basically to kind of look at the dominance, and it's a very quick chart to. Actually, I'll take you over there. I actually have it open here. Share this tab. Here we go. It's altcoin season index. So this is blockchaincenter.net, and this will basically tell you if it's altcoin season or not yet. So we're at 24. It's Bitcoin season right now. So yeah, so we can scroll down here and we can see Bitcoin season, altcoin season. So if this happens to go up and touch up here, then we have an altcoin season. The last time we almost had one back in March. We had a bit of one back in January of 24, so of this year, and it didn't last very, very long. Usually what we're looking for is kind of a massive move up, like back, let's see, 2021. See 2021, how far above it is above this altcoin season line. That was a massive altcoin season, and that's basically what we've been waiting for. We usually have one after halvings. So I'm going to go back to this screen here. So the altcoin season index over the last 90 days remains at 29. We just checked, it's about 24 right now. So Ethereum also plays a role in indicating its altcoin season as well. It's always acted as a catalyst for fostering altcoin dominance. ETH has underperformed compared to Bitcoin. However, the impending approval of the spot Ethereum ETFs may spur a notable increase in ETH's value. And that's very interesting to talk about as well, because I think once the Ethereum ETF does go live, if we get a significant increase in Ethereum's price, it's going to drive a lot of the altcoins up because a lot of altcoins run on Ethereum or some version of Ethereum or paired to Ethereum or whatever you want to, however you want to look at it. And once the value of ETH goes up, so do those altcoins. And that could potentially trigger maybe a mini altcoin season, or at least a good bump in prices for sure. But we'll wait and see. We're supposed to hear something, sometime this month, hopefully, about the Ethereum ETFs. A lot of the companies just filed their paperwork for finalizing the Ethereum spot ETFs. So we're just basically waiting on approval at this point. I'm sure the SEC is going over them quite diligently. So we'll wait and hear from them. So that's what we got for you guys in this video. It's not altcoin season yet, but now you guys kind of have an idea of what to look out for, and I'll be doing the same. Obviously, I'll be letting you guys know if that happens. You'll see a lot of euphoria on social media. You'll also see a lot of YouTubers talking about it like myself. That's what I got for you. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Peace.